There we go. All right, chapter 2, in which we join Pooh and his friends. Here we go.
One day, 100 Acre Wood, the East Wind traded places.
There he is, Pooh Bear.
He'll never reach that tree.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Rob.
So many cool colors in here. Whoa, this whole room is falling apart. Whoa, owls up there. Uh-oh. It looks dangerous over here. Hey, it's Tigger. No danger with Tigger. Only fun with Tigger. Oh my God, we're going up and down. We're going up and down. We're bouncing.
Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it?
We're bouncing. Okay, our dinner just got shook up.
Follow me. Right this way.
Tigger! There he is. Man, he's quick. Oh, he's over here now. Tigger, how do you do that? Oh man, I'm so silly sometimes. Just having fun with you guys. Oh, Pooh Bear's sleeping. Oh wow, that's cool. He's dreaming. Oh, we're in his dream now. Oh my God, look at this. Whoa, it's madness. Oh, we're in the mirror. Look at us, that's us in the mirror. There we are. Oh wow, look at that. A pink elephant. Oh wow, look at these guys. Another elephant. Oh, that's a cool balloon.
What do you think?
Oh, we're going in the balloon. Up, up, and away. Uh-oh, now it's raining. Watering cans have attacked us.
I love this part. It's really fun.
The watering can attack. Eva loves this part. Oh yeah, look at the water. Water everywhere. It's a nice cool down. It really is. It's nice and cool in here. Oh wow, look at that. Tigger stretching his arm out. Pooh Bear, what's going on? He's hungry, man. He's going for all the honey.
Gathered together to say,
Hooray!
hooray for Pooh too.
Look at Pooh Bear, it's full of honey. And what? They just take off? Goodbye. Yeah, there's the honey, honey on wheels. The honey jar. Wow, I think it closed. There's nobody here. Yeah, it's closed. All right, that means the park has closed. All right, here we go.
Just head back to the dispatch office and grab that one. Push down on the top part of the shop, push down on the top part of the shop.
This gate is so heavy. All right, all right. Look at that. And we wind up in the store. Let's see, what can we find? We're gonna find Pooh Bear and Tigger. All right, here's Tigger. Here's the first one right here. Found one Tigger and one Pooh Bear right there. There they are.